How to add event in 1xBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the 1xBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, how do you add an event on 1xBet? First of all, you need to select the sports where you want to place the bet. Let's say I'll select football for now. Select the preferred match where you want to place the bet. For example, I'll choose this European Champions League. This game is coming up after 8 days, but you can place the bet on the event from now. So as you can see here are the odds that you can place the bet on. You just need to click on the odds of the event of your choice. Let's say I'll select the win for the Inter Milan, so I'll tap on it. The odds of this event is 2.335, so you can place your bet now. Enter the amount of money that you want to place on the bet. It will show you the return of your potential winnings. Once you're done, you can tap on this bet option, and there you go. That's how you can easily add an event on 1xBet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.